Good morning, and let's take a look then at the top 5 stocks that you need to keep an eye out on in today's trading session. So here's what's going to be buzzing in trade and making the headlines. Well, it's pharma that's in focus first up, as Avenue Therapeutics has received the CRL from the FDA. This is for their NDA application of Tramadol IV, which is essentially going to impact Cipla. So Tramadol IV is used to manage and moderate, severe post-operative pain, and the FDA has determined that it cannot approve the application in its current form, which means that Cipla is going to be the one that stands to benefit on the back of this news. So watch out for Cipla in today's trading session. Let's get a move on then, and it's clearly going to be the telecom basket that's in focus, as you had the July subscriber data come out. And by the way, it's been the first increase in the gross subscribers that we've seen since the lockdown in the month of March. So it's been a long 6 to 7 months, and finally the data is showing you encouraging signs. So you've got the data which indicates that the gross subscribers are up 3.5 million versus a negative 3.2 million in the month of June 2020. Vodafone Idea though has continued to see a decline in its subscribers. It's lost a total of 3.8 million active subscribers in the month of July versus about 3.7 million in the month of June. JP Morgan as well has its report out on telecom. They say that TRAI report signals that there has been a trend change. Bharti subscriber additions have turned sharply positive, and they've also led on the 4G addition subscribers. Consolidation, they say, continues in favor of the number 1 and the number 2 players, and Bharti Airtel matches the Jio subscriber additions right now. So clearly it's at par with Reliance Jio. They say that Bharti leads the 4G subscriber additions for the second consecutive month. So some clear competition between Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio. Moving on, watch out for SRF in trade today, and that's largely because the board has authorized the approval of the opening of the QIP today. That is at a price point of 4,168.73 rupees per share. The company may offer a discount of not more than 5% on the floor price calculated for the issue. Power stocks in focus. CLSA has their latest report, and they've got a buy on NTPC, Power Grid as well as JSW Energy on account of defensive growth, which is what they see. CLSA believes that reform-led liquidity injection has begun, and that the power demand ahead of the economic growth is likely to be strong. September is up 4.6% year-on-year, led by NTPC up 13%, $18 billion discount liquidity injection package with a reform baked in, and the Q2 core growth is robust at regulated utilities, and the focus now shifts to renewables. And watch out for Shalby Hospitals. They have managed to post a quarterly profit this time around with 24 crore PAT versus a loss of 8.7 crores. Revenue from operations have grown to 115 crores versus 38 crores.